Hello? In this video, you'll learn 50 useful English phrases that you can use in everyday situations. These phrases are perfect for B1 level learners. Let's get started. Good morning. Did you sleep well? How are you feeling today? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. What's your full name, please? My name is Anna Lopez. It's a pleasure to meet you. Where are you originally from? I'm from Brazil, but I currently live in Spain. May I ask how old you are? I'm 25 years old. What kind of job do you have? I work at a bank. I live in a small flat near the city centre. I'm studying English at a language school. Can you give me a hand with this? I don't know what this word means. Could you repeat that more slowly? What's the meaning of this word in English? I'm really sorry about that. That's okay, no problem. Thanks a lot for your help. No problem. You're welcome. Excuse me, can I ask you something quickly? Do you happen to know the time? It's almost 3 o'clock. I'm starting to feel a bit hungry. Let's grab something to eat. I really enjoy this meal. I'm not too keen on spicy food. How much is this, please? That seems a bit expensive to me. Do you accept credit cards or just cash? Excuse me, where's the nearest bathroom? Go straight ahead, then turn left. Turn right at the next corner. I feel pretty tired after work today. I need a short break to rest. It's really hot outside today, isn't it? It's a cold and rainy morning today. I'm going shopping this afternoon. I'll catch up with you later at the cafe. Hope you have a fantastic day. Take care and speak to you soon. What are you doing at the moment? I'm just watching a film at home. I'm going to bed now. Sleep well and sweet dreams. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See you again soon. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing your English. Please like and subscribe to the channel and our newsletter.